Welcome back to engineering graphics class. In this session, we will discuss the how to solve the problem using solid edge software. So we will discuss the topic on projection of planes, problem number 4. So let me discuss the question. A triangular lamina plane figure of side 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners, such that the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. If the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests makes an angle of 30 degree with VP. Draw the top and front view in this position. So we know that we need to divide the data for 3 steps, and before that we can draw the XY line, and one side we can write it as capital X and other side capital Y, and above XY line VP and below XY line HP. Okay. Now the triangle, the resting condition. First step we are checking the resting condition. Here the lamina, triangular lamina is resting on HP with one of its corner. So they given the corner condition, and the lamina should be resting in HP. That means corner should come on the left side. In HP we need to place it. To get the triangle, so we have the two techniques we have. Either we can go to the application, macros, run macros, and in that we can take inside polygon, open it, and the side length they give on 25. So we can enter the side length, and by giving the number of sides, so we can get that triangle lamina. So flat length, and here we can give the 25 and number of sides is 3, and then click it on the HP. So by default it is coming the edge condition, so we can rotate it, select it, so by rotating it, so we can make it corner condition, and you can keep it in a appropriate position. And after that go to line, normal line. So before getting the front view we can give the namings for it. A, so we can give the naming A, this point is B, and this one is C. And then line, normal line, from the A you drop to the XY line, and from the C, B and C is one point, we can drop to here, and then between these two, that is a front view, so we need to make it visible line. We can zoom this area and we can get a clear view. And coming to the naming of this, here the only A is here, so that's why this one will be A dash, and this will be B is first and C is second, so B dash of C dash, and close the bracket. Okay, the first step is finished, and next step they give on the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. That means the lamina is inclined 60 degree with HP, so this entire lamina should make 60 degree here. And before that we can get the length of it. You can show the one length, and this length we need to get it for second step. Go to line, visible line, click the line here, and the length we know that is 21.65, and enter. Angle is they given 60 degree, enter 60 degree. So we got it, and here we can move the namings of this. Switch on the copy, and this B dash of C dash is here, and this one is A dash is here, and you can show the angle by using angle command, and the angle 60 degree. And next take the line, normal line, draw the projections. To get the top view we need to draw the projections, and here A, and I am getting A dash, and this will be the A. And now B dash and C dash, here we are getting B, you can get B, and same way C, and you can get the C here. You can move the namings A, B and C, and then go to line, visible line and make it visible. A to B, B to C, and back to D. Second step is also finished. And now the third step, what they given: if the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests make an angle 30 degree with VB. That means side opposite to the resting corner. Here the resting corner is A dash, opposite side is B dash of C dash. That means here BC. This BC is inclined to VP at 30 degree. So first we need to draw the 30 degree line here. We can enter the angle minus 30, and you can show the angle 30 degree. And now this BC should be placed over here. You can use the move option and hold the control, select the three edges. After that release the control, then go to the point C. Go to the point C and pick it and then place it on the 30 degree line. And after that go to rotate. Same way, hold the control, select all the edges and make C, because C is already line, you make it fixed point, and this B rotating point, and make sure it should become on that 30 degree line. And after that you can move the namings. This is C and this one is B and this one is A. And final, to get the final front view, you can draw the projections here from all the points. Here A is here, A dash on the XY line, you can draw up to here. Then B is here, B dash, and then C, C dash. And after that you can give the namings for it. A dash, B dash, then C dash, and then go to line, visible line, and join it, A dash to B dash, C dash, and then A dash. So you are almost finished. And before getting the printout, you can keep the namings in a proper position. It should not be overlapped, or it should not be away from the respective points, and it should be clearly visible. Like this we need to place it. Okay, now we have finished the problem.